I would like to share some details about the upcoming workshop on elevating digital marketing in turbulent times. So basically, uh, this is a workshop which is of around 6 hours, 3 sessions, and we all know that currently we are facing a very turbulent time due to the pandemic. Initially, we had a lockdown. Now there is an unlock, and so many businesses getting affected. One thing that has remained common in this period is availability of the digital medium, and that is why all of us should emphasize more and more on utilizing these digital platforms appropriately for getting business, doing business, and keeping business. So in this program, the first session that we'll be doing will be on digital marketing strategy. Digital marketing strategy is consider it like a blueprint of a building. Unless the blueprint of the building is not ready, if you directly go into the construction phase, you will find a lot of trouble. In a similar situation in business, if you don't have a strategy in place, there are high chances that you will make mistakes which are later on very difficult to correct and very costly also. So we will be using a workbook that I have designed about digital marketing strategy. I have also authored a book called as Effective Digital Marketing Strategy. So I'll share the workbook. I'll explain the concept about how to set objectives, how to identify a customer focus, how to understand the market conditions, what kind of a network or networking you should do, how you can differentiate your products and services, how to understand the competition, prospects, your strengths, what kind of a content needs to be developed, and how to take a feedback or testimonials from customers and then share those also appropriately. So this is what we will discuss in digital marketing strategy. I'll be sharing a digital marketing strategy workbook with the participants. Then they can use this workbook to put in the draft of their strategy, and then definitely they can share it with me for a feedback. In the second session, out of the 3 sessions, the second session will be on the content part. The content, basically, we are talking about educational content for your audience. So what I mean by educational content is it can be a blog, it can be audio, it can be video, it can be presentation, any form that is relevant to your audience. Just to give you an example of any form, today I read a news item that in a school in a village, uh, they are using the announcement speakers of the school for teaching students. So they are teaching through this microphone and doing kind of announcements. And with this, the schools have not yet started. In the cities, we have all the digital technology at hand for parents, teachers, and students. But in villages, this is very difficult. So this school has come out with a solution. That is what I mean by digital content. It need not be the standard blogs only and things like that. It can be any content that is relevant to your audience. So we'll talk about the audience, different platforms, the frequency, the types of content that I have just explained, and how to put it in a calendar. So for this also, I'll be sharing a couple of tools, and I'll be giving an activity to the participants at the end of the second session. And that's when we will get into the third session and final session of this workshop, which is artificial intelligence. So in this session, that is third and final session of the Elevating Digital Marketing in Turbulent Times, we'll be discussing a lot of tools related to artificial intelligence. So there are tools available for identifying the right kind of heading, the content type, and for analysis also there are artificially intelligent tools available. So this focus of this session will be primarily on tools available initially for free for sure, because we can then try these tools out. And it is important to note that artificial intelligence tools are available which you can use. You may not be conversant with the technology behind the artificial intelligence, the algorithm, and all those things. We have to just use the tools which are developed using artificial intelligence. So this entire workshop of elevating digital marketing in turbulent times is focusing on how we can take our efforts to the next level. So digital marketing is not new. Digital marketing, why digital marketing is required, all of you are aware of. How it can be used, you are already aware. How to go about it, some of you have tried, some of you have succeeded, some of you may have not succeeded. So I'm going to give you a lot of practical experience. So you may want to call it like a digital marketing plasma, because I have worked on more than 50 consulting assignments. I have been into consulting for last 10 years, and prior to that for 10 years again I worked in different industries as an employee in the marketing domain itself. So I have 2 decades of experience in this field. I have designed digital marketing strategies for my customers. I have designed marketing strategies for my customer. In addition to digital marketing book that I have referred, I have authored 2 more books, Designing Effective Business Plan and Marketing Effective Marketing for Entrepreneurs. I have written numerous blogs, research papers, case studies. uh, I have spoken at different forums as such. So you can call it as a holistic experience that I have, and I can look at the digital marketing scenario from all these different roles I play. And then I can say that I have much more integrated and holistic view of the digital marketing landscape. So I know the challenges faced by digital marketing agencies. I know the challenges faced by digital marketing clients. I know the challenges faced by digital marketing content developers, social media experts, and so on. So I'm looking forward to your participation in this workshop, Elevating Digital Marketing in Turbulent Times, and looking forward to seeing you at the time of workshop. All the best. Take care.